Does your knee make a pop sound every time you stand up? Every time you go upstairs, downstairs? Is it painful? See, if it doesn't hurt, it's usually the synovial fluid that's moving inside the joint. But if that pop comes with a sharp pain or feeling of instability or swelling, we need to talk. This is often a sign of a mechanical issue like a meniscus tear or a loose piece of cartilage that might need a look closely, a potentially quick arthroscopy to smoothen the things out. So the rule is simple. We need to diagnose it. We diagnose this with X-rays and MRI. So a noise without pain is usually fine. A noise with pain needs a plan. We need to diagnose it, usually with X-rays and MRI, and you need to consult your doctor right away.